Hey all, welcome to Infobook Technologies YouTube channel. This is Raj Kumar. Today we're going to see asynchronous task in Android. AsyncTask was intended to enable proper and easy use of the UI thread. However, the most common use case was for integrating into UI, and that would cause context leaks, missed callbacks, or crashes on configuration changes. So AsyncTask, it's an abstract class in Android. There are three types used by AsyncTask: params, progress, and result. Params, it represents a parameter sent to the AsyncTask. Progress, it represents the progress units published during the background computation. Then result, it represents the result of the background computation. The methods triggered in AsyncTask. There are few methods triggered in AsyncTask: on pre-execute, on doing background method, on progress update, on post execute. So on pre-execute, this is invoked in UI thread before AsyncTask executor. We can initialize progress bar or any UI. Do in background. This execute in background completely run in background thread. So we can't access the UI. On progress update, this triggered when the doing background method is running. It will update the percentage of task completed. On post execute, this triggered when the doing background method is completed. The doing background method, it will return the value which is a result that it will posted in the on post execute, where we will update the UI. Before get into an AsyncTask example, let's try what happen if we perform large operation in the main thread. I have created a AsyncTask example activity. I have a activity main layout. So here I have here I have created a text view and a button. So I'm going to get the button in the activity. What set? I'm going to set on click listener, on click listener, the override method, generator, on click. So is the entity. Var a equal to 0 with while I is less than or equal to it as a 20 count. Try method, so try block, exception. Inside I'm going to create a thread, mix it to 10,000. Yeah, as soon as the button got clicked, this task will be executed. So I'm going to perform more. So we have a text view, change text. I'm going to set the text view to custom text equal to info book technology. Okay. Let's build and run the application. Here's the application. So I'm going to tap the click me button. See, we got a no response. This is a crash due to the large operation. So we're going to convert the entire thing into a async task. Let's create it. So I'm going to create a private inner class, do task, asynchronous task. So as I explained earlier, it's a params, progress, result. So I'm going to give void for param, progress. I'm going to give int because I'm going to show the progress uh, duration, and the result should be in string. Okay, so it's looking for the override method. Generate, override, in background. So I'm going to copy the whole thing. So in the AsyncTask, other than doing background method, all other methods, the override methods, can interact with the UI main thread. Return the result. So the result will be the infobook technologies. I'm going to copy this and paste it here. Okay. So here is the result. So once the result is given from the doing background method, so I'm going to uh, update the UI. So for that, I'm going with on post execute method. This will execute after the doing background method is completed. So existing functionality, we have to run the do task class. So do task dot execute and run the application. Let me see, the text got changed. Next thing, I'm going to update the progress. So here we have created doing background method and on post execute, and along with that I'm going to create override on progress update. From doing background method, the progress is published to the on progress update by using this method, publish progress. I is nothing but the count. Okay. Based on that, it will update the progress. Count equal to values. So var arguments. So variable number of arguments, that is called var arguments. So values dot, let's build and run the application. Application matches. If you see the counter is getting incremented. The UI got updated. So the do task dot execute method, it's performed serially. If you want to perform a parallel operations, you have to go with do task dot execute on executor asynchronous task dot thread pool executor. This will perform the parallel operations. Thanks for joining.